I need someone who is serious.
Alright. Aki, mnaona vile wasichana Waganda wanajituma. Kenyans, see now. This Ugandan lady, she has the energy to come up here and tell us she's looking for Josiben. You are there mnajifinya finya hapo ati atanitafuta, atakutafuta, atakupata wapi? My friend, be serious Ha? You said you are a Ugandan. From which area?
I'm living in Kampala now, but I'm from West.
You are from West. All right. Now, how old are you, please?
I'm 28.
You're 28. What do you do for a living? You said you're a business lady.
Yes.
That is your own business, eh?
Yes.
All right. Do you have a baby or kids?
I have one.
A baby girl or baby boy?
Baby boy.